green.
Right? So cool.
And you're green.
Am I green?
Yeah. In my channel, I talk about things that go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It was really well done. So in today's video, I'm actually just going to do a short unboxing video of this plant light sent to me by Vivosun. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like and how they work. So we have a special guest today. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi, Wolfie wants to help me do the unboxing, so let's just get to it. Okay, Mama has to cut open the box.
Okay.
So this is the box. The packaging looks super nice. Yeah, it feels kind of like I'm getting a camera or something. Let me see. These two boxes comes out. Hold on, Baba. Can you take this out? Oh, thank you. This is a little bit heavy, so Mama will hold it, okay? So
What's that?
This is a grow light. So this is the light. It looks super sturdy, but it's not very heavy. And there's a protective cover here. This is the light.
I'm just popping you.
Yeah, Wolfie's just popping the packaging. So this is the power cord that comes with it. And then we have, I think this is to help. Baba, can you hold on a second? Can you just stop 1 second? Mama wants to talk. I'm sure this is to help hang the light. Sorry for the noise. And then we have, I think these lights are just super bright, so they have provided us with some sunglasses.
Can I try?
Yeah, come here. Can I help you? Ooh, pretty cool. Yeah. Looks good. And then something to clean the sunglasses, and something else in here too. Okay, yeah, so rope hangers for the light. Okay, let me just kind of hook it up right here and to show you guys, and also for myself to get a sense of how bright the light is.
Mommy, everything is green.
Right? So cool.
And you're green.
Am I green?
Yeah.
That's great. This is interesting. This it feels so like, almost like a little bit tacky, a little bit kind of like rubber material. It's interesting. Okay, oh, this is pretty cool actually. I was reading the review. So this light is dimmable too. The dials here, you got 25%, 50%, 75%, and then off. I actually find this to be super important because as I'm taking care of my plants, because I have a lot of grow lights, as you guys know, I find that a lot of the times
check this out.
the grow lights might be a little bit too intense for my plants. So to have the dimmable options for a different stage of growth is quite cool.
Hello to the earth.
Where are you? Hello to the earth. Earlier in my kind of like grow light, using the grow light, I was just so unaware of how bright it is. Several times in the beginning, I would plug it in and just like blind myself. And I'm super sensitive, so it was giving me like a headache for like hours. So now I'm just gonna be like, I know to be much more cautious But can you sit on the ground for a bit? Mama's just gonna plug it in. Keep your sunglasses on. Okay, so right now it's sitting at 25% brightness. I'm just gonna keep it this way so you guys can see the intensity. 25%, 50%, 75%, and
Mommy, this is a boat.
100%. And then off. Okay, so I hooked it up here. This is at the dimmest setting at the moment. Okay, so let's turn it up. This is now at 50% brightness, 75% brightness, and then 100% brightness. This is kind of how it looks up here. This is really slim, and it was really easy to just put it on. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. I'll see you guys soon again. Bye.